What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode 319 of Through the Mail Autographs. We like to get autographs through the mail. We do baseball and football and basketball and golf and celebrities and hockey and all that stuff. Pretty much we're just doing baseball and football and basketball. Well, we'll do some basketball. I don't know. We're doing some of the main sports, but we want to get into more stuff. But this is what we got in the box today. We did go through another box that we got from that collection. We quit doing it for a while because we were getting ready for a card show. But we'll show you some stuff today. Hey, we got Larry Johnson. We just sent this out, I don't know, maybe 10 days ago. We both live in Ohio, so he was pretty quick. That's a cool card. A lot of this came out of that collection that I just bought. So that's cool. Collection's already starting to pay off. Robin Pemberton. There's a Wheels and an SP and a Max Chromium and a Press Pass Stealth or something. Cool. 4 for 4. Tom Kelly. There's a gold and an 88 tops. John Castino. He was Rookie of the Year. Oh, was it 79 or 80? I can't remember. There's 1980 card, 84. There's a taped together Donruss. I didn't notice that card was that bad when I sent it to him. And 85 tops. I always liked him. He was a good player. Bill Sampson. This is cool. I needed this card for my set. 92 Stadium. There's a 91 Fleer, 91 Tops, and a 91 Stadium Glove, right? I think I needed all those. Not sure how long that took. Oh, this took probably almost a year. Fred Couples. He signed 4 of 4. So that's pretty sweet. I met Fred many times at different golf tournaments over the years. Steve Nicosia. I could have sworn the first time I sent to him he only signed 1. But I saw some people get multiples back, so I tried him on 3. There's an 85 Fleer, 82 Donruss, and an 85 Tops. I need him on a bunch of sets because they used to only send them like 1 a year. So we sent him 3 that time. We doubled our Steve Nicosia autographs. Hey, Frank Tanana. Got one of his religious pamphlet things. Got a 76 tops, a 75 tops, and an 81 tops. 3 for 3. Well, 4 for 3. Here's the last one, guys. 2, 4, 6, 8. We got 9 returns today. It looks like we got some minor league here. Jack O'Connor. Love my minor league cards. There's a Syracuse Chiefs card and an 87 Rochester Red Wings card. That's pretty sweet. I want to thank everybody for sticking around and seeing what I got. I want to thank everybody that signed my cards. And now we'll show you some of the stuff we got in the box. As you can tell, we got some commons over there. We went ahead and went through them so we didn't have to look through all the commons. But here's like the game used stuff I got. Garrett Atkins game used card there. It's got the little piece right there. I almost missed it. I kept thinking, wow, that card's awful thick. Game used of Kyle Skipworth. Never heard of him. Game used of, is that Billy Hall, maybe? Bill Hall. That's cool. And a game used of Edwin Encarnacion. That's kind of cool. I don't know what this came out of because it's like in a plastic thing. See, it's like it's in its own little package. And then I've been pulling out all the kind of like non-sports stuff. I'm gonna, here's Obama and Abe Lincoln. Well, not like other sports too, like wrestling and UFC. And I'm throwing that kind of stuff in its own pile. I'll probably look some of those up, but then put them in like dollar boxes or something at the shop. This stuff here is stuff that I either know the people sign or I want to see if they sign. So, like Johnny Damon's been signing lately. And then I got some stickers. I don't think Van Poppel's been signing. I can't remember, so I just pulled it out. But nothing really to speak of. Some Michael Tuckers I needed to send out. I got these. This is cool. I think Ed Ott's still signing. And Phil Gardner, I haven't got him back for like a year, so I don't know if he's still signing or not. Have you guys been getting Phil Gardner at all? There's Bill Gullickson. I'll try that up. There, and yeah, that one. I'll try to get that signed. I always like those Mother's cookies. We'll try Phil Hughes. He's got like a YouTube channel now. It opens up packs. Phil's Pulls or something, I think. This is kind of cool. We got unfortunately, it's been sitting in this thing here. It's got a bad corner right there. But the rest of it looks pretty perfect. It's Don Mattingly set. I don't know if I'll bust this up and send off some of these guys that signed their mail or keep it as a set. I don't know. I just sent this card off. This Jerry McNerdy. I just sent to him. I sent that card. Haven't got it back yet. But a few of these guys signed. So we may send those off. I haven't decided yet. What do you guys think? Should I send some of those off or should I just keep it as a set? I think it's a set. These are all star cards. It's either stuff I'm going to put in my dollar box, stuff I'm going to look up, or stuff that's going to go on top of my grab bags. Like, I put out anything that had a rookie logo on it. You know, there were some Mantles, cheap Mantles in there. Well, there's some of my what do you call it? Do the mail stuff. Mark Grizanovich or whatever. I don't think Johnny Bench signs, but there was nothing, I don't know, nothing great in here. There's a bunch of inserts and different rookie cards. And there was Pujols and Griffey and Ichiro and, you know, all the guys that, you know, I can throw in my dollar boxes and stuff. Like there's nice Pujols. There's some gold cards and there's a Clayton Kershaw. I don't know if that's his rookie or not. It says rookie, but you never know. You can't go by that. There's a gold Jacob Ellsbury, but I don't think he panned out. So Craig Biggio, Hall of Famer. Just a little bit of everything in here. David Ortiz. Whoa, some Pujolses. A bunch of Babe Ruth cards I could send to his granddaughter. I noticed a lot of people sending to her. So there's some Ichiros and there was a numbered Jim Thome, numbered to 100. That's probably books for a decent amount. That's a cool Ken Griffey Jr. So like I said, some decent stuff. It's definitely worth looking through and pulling some stuff out. There's some more Pujolses. Some more Babe Ruths. Some Joey Vottos. There was some good looking cards in this stuff. I've never even seen that card before. I think he's good, isn't he? Max Scherzer or something. Saw people make some YouTube videos of them. But I haven't watched baseball since Matt Scherzer's been in the league, so I don't know if he's any good or not. Heard the name. If I heard the name, it usually means he's decent. Ichiro. Figured I'd pull out all the team cards. I'll throw those in the dollar boxes. Some team people, those teams, fans might like the cards. Pull out some more of those rookies. There's a nice Griffey. Some more Manals and DiMaggio's. More inserts. There's a nice Ichiro. Some more Manals. And you figure the price, I have in these cards, which is pretty much nothing, because I got 150,000 cards for like $350 in trade. So, I mean, that's 0.00, like 3 cents a card or something. I don't know. It's cheap. There's Manny on the Rays. I didn't even know he was on the Rays. This is cool. It's a Sammy Sosa game card. There's a little bit of, I don't know why some of these are in there. I wouldn't have pulled out Sean Green. I wouldn't have pulled out Jim Presley. Those are piles that belonged in the common box. And Derek Bell. See ya. You gotta go. Bichette, he was decent. He's his rookie card. We'll keep that out. Joe Mauer was good. Denny Nagel wasn't good. This is a cool card. I love these cards. I kept them out to throw in the dollar box just because they were really hard to get back in the day. Someone might be putting that set together. You never know. Delgado was a good player. I don't think he's going to make the Hall of Fame, but he was a good player. But I love these. I remember Frankie Rodriguez was a great minor league pitcher. Dave McCarty was one of my favorite. One of these guys busted. Brian Taylor, he was a bust. Dimitri Young, Reggie Cummings, yeah. Awesome cards, but guys didn't pan out. Trevor Hoffman, Evan Legora, that's cool. But that's what I've been doing, looking through that box. What do you guys think? You think I ended up being a pretty good box. I mean, heck, for the price I paid for this stuff, I mean, this is going to make me a lot more money than I paid for it. So, hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Tune in next time. We'll have some more fun stuff. But thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Let me know what your favorite was. If you saw any bangers in there, let me know, man. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Till next time. Peace.